Good morning, my dear students. Look here. Now, in the previous classes, we studied several problems and application of quadratic formula also. Look here. Now, there is another type of problems. 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 3. That's a given problem. We want to find the value of x. Now, you know that crossly multiplication. Look at here. 1 into x minus 2 minus 1 into x minus x divided by the product of the denominators x into x square, x into minus 2 minus 2. Is it clear? Equal to 3. Then again cross multiply. 3 into x square, 3x square, 3 into minus 2x minus 6x equal to, here it is, x minus x cancel, remaining is negative. Get the idea? Here 6, then cross multiply. Here my x and minus x cancel, minus 2. Is it over? Then minus 2 transferred to left side, 3x square minus 6x plus 2 equal to 0. Now it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then a equal to 3, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 2. b square minus 4 is you complete it. Minus 6 square minus 4 into 3 into 2. That is 24. Minus 6 square is 36. Similarly, 6 square is also 36. 36 minus 24 equal to 12. 12 is not a perfect square. Root b square minus 4ac is root 12. By factorization, you get 2 into 2 into 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3. One of the 2 taken out. 2 root 3. That already you studied in 8th standard. So root 12 equal to 2 root 3. Now this is a formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. B is already minus 6. Minus b minus minus 6 plus or minus, this value is root 12 by 2 into a, 2 into 3. Okay. Minus minus is plus. 6 plus, and the root is 2 root 3 divided by 2 into 3. 6. 6 minus 2 root 3 divided. One of the values is positive, other is negative. From here, in these two terms, 2 is a common factor taken out. Remaining 3 plus root 3. 2 is a common factor taken out, divided by 6. Other is 2 into 3 minus root 3 divided by 6. 2 cancelled in 6. That is 3 times, and other answer is 3 minus root 3. You get the idea? 2 cancelled in 6 3 times. 3 plus root 3 by 3, 3 minus root 3 by, that is the final answers. You get the idea? Okay. You carefully watch the video, then answer the homework assignment. Okay. Look here, another type. X square, better you write it here. X square minus 10x plus 22 equal to 0. Look here. Now a equal to 1, b is equal to minus 10, c is equal to 22. So, you find b square minus 4ac first. That is the discriminant. Here it is minus 10 square minus 4 into 1 into 22. 10 square is 100. 4 into 22, 88. If you subtract it, you get 12. Okay. Now root b square minus 4ac is root 12. Then already you studied it is 2 root 3 in the previous problem. Is it clear? Now a equal to 1, b is equal to minus 10 and c equal to 22. Complete b square minus 4ac, you get 12. Are you ready to complete it? Then the formula, quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a is, b is minus 10. So minus minus 10 plus or minus root 12 by a equal to 1. Minus minus is plus. The value is 2 root 3 divided by 2 into 1. So that is one answer. Another one, 10 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. Okay. You get the idea? Then from 2 and 10, 2 taken out as a common factor, it is 2 plus 5 root 3 divided by 2. 2 into 5, 10, 2 into root 3, 2. Is it over? Next, 2 into 5 minus root 3 by 2. This is the second value. Here 2 cancel and the final answer is 5 plus root 3, other one 5 minus root 3. So the roots are 5 plus root 3, then 5 minus root 3. Is it over? Next, one more. 30 by x plus 24 by x plus 2. 30 divided by x plus 24 divided by x plus 2 equal to 8. So completed. Then come on. Then cross multiply 30 into x, 30x plus 30 into 60. 24 into x, 24x divided by x into x plus 2, x into x, x square, x into 2, 2x. That's equal to 8. It's clear. Cross multiply 8 into x square, 8x square, 8 into 2x, 16x equal to 0. Here 30x plus 24x is 54x plus 60. If you cross multiply, it is 8 by 1. You get the idea? 30x plus 24x, 54x and 60. And the terms in the right side taken to the left side is 8x square plus 16x minus 54x minus the name is 60 equal to 0. This terms transferred to the left side. So it is 8x square minus 64 plus 60. 0. Is it over? Now it is 38x. It is minus. You see that? 54 minus 16 is 38 and the sign of the larger one is negative. You get the idea? Minus 60 equal to 0. Now it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay. Now all the numbers are even numbers. You may cancel like this. Divided by 2 you get like this. It is not compulsory. Is it over? Now it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A equal to 4, b is equal to minus 19 and c is equal to minus 30. Are you ready to complete it? B square minus 4ac is minus 19 square minus 4 into a equal to 4 and c is equal to minus 30. This number is 361. 19 square is 361. Negative 19 square is also 361. Minus into minus plus. You multiply, you get 480. 841. Added to get 841. Remember, it's a perfect square. Root 841 is 29. 29 square is 840. Are you ready? Now x equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a is minus 19 plus or minus root 841 divided by 2 into a is equal to 4. That is the substitution of the formula. B minus 19 minus b minus 9. This value is 841. 2 into a is 4. Minus minus is plus. 841, 80, 29 divided by 2 into 4, 8. One of the value. Other one is, one of the root is positive and other root is negative. Are you ready? Now add that, you get 48 divided by 8 and other value minus 10 divided by 8. This value is exactly 6 and that cancel minus 5 by 4. So the answer is, the numbers are 6 or minus 5 by 4. Is it clear? And I will give you homework of this data. Okay. You prepared well the video. Okay. First of all, you watch well the video clearly, then answer the home assignment. Okay. All the best.